నమస్కారం అండి. ఈరోజు మనము ట్రిగ్నామెట్రీ దాని గురించి తెలుసుకుంటున్నాము. ట్రిగ్నామెట్రీలోని 6 రేషియోలు ఉంటాయి. వాటి ఉపయోగము మన నిత్య జీవితంలో కానీ ఎలా అవుతుంది అనేది నేను విపులంగా ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తాను. ముఖ్యంగా ఫస్ట్ ట్రిగ్నామెట్రీ ట్రిగ్నామెట్రీ అంటే ట్రీ అంటే 3, ట్రిగోనామెట్రీ అంటే యాంగిల్స్ మరియు సైడ్స్ మధ్య రిలేషన్ గురించి చెప్పబడింది. Now presently we are learning about trigonometry. In this trigonometry means here 6 ratios are there. Among them I am explaining 3. After that I will explain 3 later. Then sin theta means opposite side by hypotenuse. Here opposite means sin theta. Suppose say this one is C na, C theta is theta. Then what will happen? Sin theta means sin C. Otherwise you write here sin C. No matter. Sin C, we are giving C is equal to theta. Then sin theta is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. Then cos theta is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. Then tan theta is equal to opposite side by adjacent side, like that. In this, one more thing is there. Sin theta, for sin theta is what? Cosec sin theta can be written as 1 by cosecant theta. 1 by cosecant theta means they are reciprocating. Now this is nothing but B by C. Now this comes like this. In the same way, this also cos theta means this is sec theta. Sec theta means here also this is a reciprocating, B by A. And this is tan theta. Tan theta is cot theta. This is also same thing. Means reciprocating means A by C. These are reciprocal. Therefore, these are the 6 ratios. Using these 6 ratios, we will solve the triangle. In this right angle triangle, scaling triangle, whatever it may be. And the formulas are there. We will discuss later about that. Now, presently, in this 2 right angle triangles are there. In this 2 right angle triangles means one right angle triangle is this is 30 degrees, this is 60 degrees, and this is 90 degrees. When degrees are there, these angles 60 degrees, 90 degrees, and 30 degrees. These are the angles. Sides are like this. This is sides. This is 1, root 3 and 2. These are the angles. These are the sides. These are the ratios. Angle ratios like this, sides ratio are like this. In the same way, one more triangle is there. This is right angle isosceles triangle. Right angle isosceles triangle, 2 sides are equal. This is 45 degrees. This is also 45 degrees. This is 90 degrees. Then for this 45 degrees, 90 degrees. These are the angles. Sides are 1:1:root 2. These are the angles ratio and these are the sides ratio. By using this apply in this 6 ratios, you will get the values of the sin 30, sin 60, sin 45, sin 90, etc. Now by using these 2 triangles, this is scalene triangle, this is isosceles right angle triangle. This is scalene triangle means this is also right angle triangle, even though scalene triangle. Why? Because 3 sides are different, whereas here 2 sides are equal, so that it is called isosceles triangle, isosceles right angle triangle. Sides are like this, angles are like this. I have already explained in this. Okay, from this now you take sin of 60. First of all, take 60. Sin of 60 means opposite side of this is root 3. Opposite side by hypotenuse, this is 2. In the same way, you take cos 60. Cos 60 means this adjacent side. Adjacent side is 1. This is 1. Hypotenuse is 2. Then take tan 60. tan 60 is equal to this opposite side is root 3 by adjacent side is 1. Nothing but root 3 only. These are this. In the same way, from this triangle, you take sin of 45. Sin of 45 means this opposite side by hypotenuse 1 by root 2. Cos of 45. This is also same 1 by root 2. Therefore, tan of 45 is equal to 1 by 1. 1 by 1 is nothing but 1 only. These are the ratios from these triangles. By using this, you will find the remaining 6 ratios. Opposite this is cosec, opposite this is sec, this opposite this is cot, like that only. By using this, we will find out in general now. These are the triangles. If you not remembering this, you use this left hand. You use this left hand. In this left hand, it is small finger. Put it at 0. This is 30 degrees. This is ring finger. Now 45 degrees. Middle finger. 60 degrees. Point finger. Na? This is thumb. 90 degrees. For remembering these two triangles, by using this thumb means this is left hand rule. This is called the left hand rule. Na? Now, sin theta is equal to finger below root under root by 2. Finger below under root by 2 means you first of all take 0. Sin of 0. Sin of 0. Sin of 0 means below is nothing is there. Below of this is nothing is there. So under root of 0 by 2. 0 by something is 0. So in that way, sin of 0 is 0. In the same way, sin you take 30 degrees. 30 degrees means under root of 30 degrees below is 1 is there. You keep here 1 by 2. Is nothing but this is nothing but 1 by 2. Sin 30 is 1 by 2. We have already derived in previous. Sin 60 means you see 60. How many fingers are there? 1, 2, 3. So that you write here 3 divided by 2. This is nothing but root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2. Then you go for 90. Sin of 90. Sin of 90 degrees is equal to under root. How many fingers are there below? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 fingers are there. 4 divided by 2. 4 root means nothing but 2. This is 2 by 2 is equal to 1. So that sin 90 is equal to 1. These are the over. Then you go for cos. Now we will learn about cos theta. Cos theta is equal to finger above by 2. Finger above by 2 means you take cos 0. 0 degrees. Cos 0 means how many fingers are there above? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 fingers are there. 4 divided by 2. Means 4 of root means this is 2. 2 by 2 is equal to 1. Cos 0 is equal to 1. Now you go for next. Cos 30. Cos 30 means how many fingers are there above? You see root. How many fingers are? 1, 2, 3. 3 by 2. This is nothing but root 3 by 2. Now you go for cos 60. Cos 60 is equal to how many fingers are there? You only one finger is there. 1 by 1 root by 2 means 1 by 2. One more. Cos 45 is there. I forgot it. Cos 45 is equal to how many fingers are there? 2 fingers are there by 2. This is root 2. 2 can be written as root 2 into root 2. Means 1 root 2 gets cancelled. 1 by root 2. Then you go for 90. Cos of 90. How many fingers are there above? No finger is there. So that this is 0. 0 by 0 under root by 2 is nothing but 0. Tan theta is equal to, as we know that, tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta, or finger below under root by finger above under root, like that. Okay? You see here, you take here sin theta means theta is equal to, once you write here, finger below under root by finger above under root. Then you go for tan of 0 is equal to finger below. Finger below is nothing is there, 0. The finger above means 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 are there. So that 0 by 2 is nothing but 0 only. Then you go for tan of 30 degrees. Tan of 30 degrees. Tan of 30 degrees means finger below is only 1. Okay. Finger above means under root of how much is there? 3. 30 degrees, 1, 2, 3. 3 is nothing but 1 by root 3. Now you go for tan 45. Tan 45. Finger below 2 is there, root. Finger above 2 also there, root 2 is equal to root 2 by root 2 is 1 only. Then you go for 60. Tan of 60 degrees is equal to finger below means this is 3, root 3. Finger above is 1, root means this is root 3. Now you go for tan 90. Tan 90 means finger below is 4 under root. Now above is nothing is there, this is 0. Some means something is by 0 is this is infinity. Now by using those formulas which already I explained to you, find the value of x such that tan 3x is equal to sin 45 into cos 45 plus sin 30. By using that, for that you have to know what is the sin 45 and what is the cos 45. For that you simply write down here. This is 45 and this is also 45. This is 90. According to that you write the sides value also. This is 1, 1, this is root 2. This is one more angle is there, this is 30 degrees. 30 degrees, this is 1, this is 60 degrees. So root 3, this is 90 degrees, this is so. By using these two triangles, you substitute this value here. Tan 3x is equal to sin 45. Sin 45 means this is 1 by root 2. This is opposite side by hypotenuse. In the same way, cos 45 means this is also 1 by root 2. Sin 30 means opposite side by hypotenuse. This is 1 by 2. Okay? Then this is root 2 into root 2, 1 by 2 only. This is 1 by 2. Now LCM is here 2, 1 plus 1 is equal to 2 by 2 is equal to 1. When 1 is equal to tan 30, 3x is equal to 1 means this is nothing but tan 45. Tan 45 is equal to 1 only. By using this, tan 45 is opposite side by hypotenuse. This is nothing but 1 by 1 only. 1 only. So tan 3x is equal to tan 45. Then therefore 3x is equal to 45. Then x is equal to 45 degrees by 3 means 3 1 is 3 5. Then x value is 15 degrees.